In this activity, we're going to talk about how speed and energy are related. This activity is called balloon races. You're going to need 2 chairs or 2 doorknobs, and you can do this inside or outside. You're going to tie your string to one chair and then come all the way down here to the other end. And you're going to thread your string through the straw.
Good.
Okay, once your straw is on your string, you're going to tie it as tight as you can onto your other chair or doorknob. So Newton's third law says that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So as I blow it up and let it go, it's going to push this way as the air goes out this way. And the reaction is going to be equal and it's going to be opposite because it goes in the opposite direction. So as this balloon goes, the air resistance or the drag is going to keep it from going as fast as it really could. So since this balloon is our biggest, the air inside allows it to have the most energy. So that means that it can travel for a long distance, but the air resistance might make it go a little bit slower. All right, so this first balloon that you're gonna blow up is gonna be your largest balloon. So you wanna blow it up as much as you can. Because this is the largest one, it has the most air in it, which means it has the most energy. Another part of this is that because it's the biggest balloon, it has the biggest circumference, so that means that it has a lot of area for the air to push it back and create drag. So this might make it go slower than the other size balloons because it has more air resistance resisting the force of it pushing forward. So when you have it ready, you're going to tape it onto your straw and you want the mouth to be facing the chair so that it can go the other way. You're going to pinch it shut and don't tie it, just hold it shut. And then you're going to start at the very end of the chair. And then when you're ready, you're going to get out your timer. And as soon as you let this balloon go, you're going to start your timer and then stop it as soon as it stops moving. So once you have your time, record it on your worksheet. And then you're going to start at this end and you're going to measure the distance it went in feet. So my shoes are about 1 foot long, so I'm just going to use my shoes to measure, but you can also use a tape measure, a ruler, or a meter stick. Alright, so our large balloon went about 18 feet. So remember to record the distance and the speed on your worksheet, and then you can go ahead and blow up your medium balloon. Okay, so your next trial is with a medium balloon. So this balloon has a little bit less air than the last one, so it has a little bit less energy. But it's a smaller balloon, so that means it has less air resistance because the circumference of the balloon is less than the larger one. So we're gonna see if this one can travel for a longer distance, and we'll see if it goes faster than the larger balloon. So you're going to go ahead and tape it the same way you did with the large one. And then you're going to get out your timer, and when you're ready, start your timer and let it go. All right, and I'm going to measure it. This balloon went about 12 feet. So remember to record the distance and the speed on your worksheet. Okay, so this last balloon is going to be your smallest balloon. And since it's the smallest, it has the least amount of air, which means it has the least amount of energy inside. That also means that it has the least amount of air resistance because it has the smallest circumference. So when you're ready, go ahead and put it on your chair and then start your timer and let it go. This one went about 5 feet, so remember to record your speed and your distance on your worksheet.